Before this video starts, I just want to say, I'm just fucking raw dogging this video because I didn't write a script, so, yeah, I don't, I don't know what to do. Computers, it's in a computer. You got your motherboard, got your RAM, got your graphics card, storage, CPU cooler. The CPU is basically the brain of the computer. If your RAM, what would the RAM be for a body part? The RAM is your bladder, I guess. What am I getting at? Oh yeah, I built a computer. There should be some B-roll footage. As I'm saying this, I built a computer. How is pretty interesting. So I couldn't just build it normally because I am involuntarily unemployed, unfortunately. But that will change next year. So I couldn't legally work. So what I did to get started on my computer build is these websites that allow you to do surveys for money or do offers for money. If you've ever done one of those free Robux websites, then it's pretty much like that. And so I was just spamming this. I was on my grind for like a couple of days. And yeah, I managed to get enough in savings to build a computer. And I put it all together and it's all working. For reference, I did use my local / used marketplace because buying stuff new while you're on a budget is just not a good idea. So I'm not entirely sure how much I paid for it. I'll do some calculations and I'll show it in this video, but honestly, I don't really know how much I built it for or how much I spent building it. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna start uploading more often as well, and also I may have committed a tax fraud. I probably shouldn't say that, but yeah. What else? I don't really know what else.
Careful. Face your fear. One enemy
Oh my god, did you see that?